Are you grappling with the weight of student loans? What if there was a way to lighten the load? Introducing President Biden's new policy, early forgiveness. This policy is a beacon of hope for those of you who are struggling under the burden of student loans. But who exactly qualifies for this life-altering policy? If your initial student loan amount was $12,000 or less, you could be eligible for loan forgiveness after just 10 years of repayment. If your loan exceeds this amount, don't worry. The repayment period simply extends by 1 year for each additional $1,000. So, a $13,000 loan would extend the forgiveness period to 11 years. This policy also requires enrollment in the SAVE repayment plan. The good news is the Education Department is proactively reaching out to eligible borrowers, even those not yet enrolled in SAVE. So keep an eye out for a potential email from the Department of Education. With this policy, your journey to financial freedom might just have gotten a lot smoother. So, what does this mean for you as a student loan borrower? Well, imagine a weight being lifted off your shoulders. That's the feeling many borrowers are experiencing with the introduction of the early forgiveness policy. This policy is a game changer, a beacon of light at the end of the seemingly endless tunnel of student loan repayments. It's like a financial emancipation, freeing you from the chains of debt that may have been holding you back. Think about it. With less financial stress, you can plan your finances better. You can dream bigger, plan for that house, that car, or that dream vacation without the cloud of student loan debt hanging over your head. It's about more than just money. It's about claiming back your freedom, your future, and your peace of mind. In short, this policy could be your ticket out of the student debt maze. But just how big is the student loan issue in 2024? Let's break it down. Right now, tens of millions of Americans are grappling with student loan debt. The total amount owed? It's staggering. We're talking in the trillions. Yes, you heard that right, trillions. It's a burden that weighs heavy on the shoulders of our nation's graduates. But with the introduction of the early forgiveness policy, there's a glimmer of hope on the horizon. This policy stands to make a significant dent in these staggering figures, offering a lifeline to those who qualify. Imagine the relief of knowing that your debt could be forgiven in just a decade or a little more. That's potentially years, even decades sooner than under previous policies. It's a game changer, folks. With this policy, the future of student loans looks a lot less daunting, doesn't it? Having delved into the depths of the early forgiveness policy and the potential impact it could have on the student loan landscape, we hope you found this video informative and helpful. If you did, why not give it a thumbs up? Perhaps you have some thoughts on the early forgiveness policy. Do you think it's a step in the right direction? Maybe you have some concerns? We'd love to hear what you think. So, drop a comment below and let's get the conversation going. We believe knowledge is power, and sharing this power can make a huge difference in someone's life. If you know someone who might benefit from this information, be sure to share this video with them. And remember, the more we share, the more we empower. And finally, if you want to stay up to date with the latest happenings in the world of finance, economics, and more, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. We have a lot more informative content coming your way. Thank you for watching. Stay informed, stay empowered, and let's change the world one informed decision at a time.